It's a joint communique based on the end of the
Yes,
Prime Minister.
correct. This is the one. This is the one.
So the refugees,
My learned
it
friend is.
appears that the refugees started coming around the 25th of March into India. So what was, I mean, this is all history. What was that? What happened? What is the trigger for 25th of March?
No, that is mentioned.
I saw that the Prime Minister of Bangladesh solemnly affirmed his resolve to ensure by every means the return of all the refugees who had taken shelter in India since 25 March 1971 and to strive by every means to safeguard their safety, human dignity and means of livelihood.
Yes, but
what was the trigger? You just find out. I'm sure you can do a little search in history. What was the trigger in Bangladesh on 25 March 1971? Something would have happened in history.
Lord,
There must have been some incident.
This is not on record, my lord, but I must assist your lordships correctly the way I am instructed. Lord, there was a direction by General Yahya Khan that on 25th of March 71 there would be Operation Searchlight. So, meaning thereby, my lord, an invasion or attack on the Bangladeshis, my lord. That was the date. That date is confirmed. That date is in public domain. And therefore, possibly the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, my lord,
It is Operation Searchlight.
Operation Searchlight, and therefore the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh said that on 25th, thereafter, we'll take everyone back. It was a solemn assurance given by the sovereign of one country to sovereign of another country.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Malaj, my dear friend, permit me. There's the Bangladesh Citizenship Temporary Provisions Order 1972, which is 617 volume 4, which says that it shall come into force on the 26th of March 1971, and in terms of this, all those who are all those whose father, grandfather was born in the territories now comprising Bangladesh and who were the permanent residents of such territories on the 25th of March 1971.
That's the sequel of communique. I was coming to that. That's correct. That's because of the sovereign assurance given by one sovereign to another, and that is how, my lord, the Bangladesh, passed this order. So that is 25th March, but the 25th March is historically, not, my lord, on record or official stand.
Operations. I was just doing a little Google search right now. It appears that Operation Searchlight by General Yahya Khan was 25th March 1971.
71. Lord, as a matter of fact, my lord, this was mentioned in the CIA's confidential report, which they declassify after 30 years. And that's available, my lord, even as a CIA report. Not that CIA's report is to be taken by the courts as a gospel truth, but there also, my lord, your lordship would find. That is the relevance. Otherwise, it's an odd date. It can be 1st January or something, but 25th March had a significance, had relevance. That, all right, 51 to 66, since your names are there, don't give any proof. You will be conferred with citizenship. But 66 onwards, you will have to establish that you came from Bangladesh and you are entitled to the citizenship, for which, my lord, 3 conditions are laid down. And dates are, my lord, taken from the Assam Accord, and the relevance of the date, my lord, I'll just point out. My lord, first is, my lord, the date of 66, 1st of January 66. My lord, the reason is, on that day, the electoral roll for the election of 67 was published. So, whoever is there in the electoral roll was possibly presumed to be ordinarily residing and must have come prior to 66. That is number 1. Number 2, my lord, the second date is 25th of March 71.
That is the date on which 26 is when Bangladesh declares independence.
No, Bangladesh declared independence on 26th.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, but our date is 25th.
Right. That is the eve of the declaration of
independence. No, there is a reason.
What's the reason for that? Tell us.
Yes, yesterday we tried and found out. On that, there was a communique by the then Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman to the government of India. It's communique
This is 8 February 70. Oh, this is 8 February 72.
72. But there is an undertaking given, my lord, which is mentioned by him, my lord, in this. My lord, please come to the second page of this document.
It's at page 9398 at volume 4A, this communication.
What is the page, Mr. Sibal?
398, volume 4A. It's my
939.
yesterday.
9398.
9398.
Volume.
Any of the juniors can just check the page and see this.
Yes, I'll just, my lord.
Any junior on the both sides can check it for a minute. In case there is some error.
9398. My lord, now please come to subsection 2. My lord, I am rereading section 6A only to point out that now, of course, my lord, this would have relevance on the statute book, but it has outlived its utility because nobody would be, my lord, alive who can, my lord, take benefit except, my lord, the progenies. But that is section 3 which your lordships would be dealing with separately. Please see 2. Subject to the provisions of subsection 6 and 7, but not very relevant subsections, all persons of Indian origin. So, first condition, who came before the first day of entry, so, or January 66. So, my entry should be before that.
Yes.
To Assam, meaning thereby the present day Assam, even if somebody comes to Meghalaya, would not get the benefit from the specified territory. So, not from anywhere in Pakistan, only from the Bangladesh part of the Pakistan, including such of those whose names are included in the electoral rolls